All right, boys, we got a mystery challenge today.
What is it this time?
Choose a colored box, the white colored box or the black colored box. Which one do you think is better?
What's inside them?
The whole point is that you don't know what's inside.
Then how the hell am I supposed to choose?
Holy crap.
This is easy. Their only difference is the color, so we just pick the better color.
And which is the better colored box?
The white
The
color.
black colored.
Interesting.
Bungus, why the hell would you pick the black one?
Why would you pick the white one?
White is just a better color in everything.
Well, Trump, I disagree.
Why the hell would you prefer the monkey color?
Monkeys are not black.
Well, it depends who we're talking about.
Joe!
Pick a box, boys.
I know the solution.
And what is it?
Let's pick the red box so we're in between.
Somebody get this man a brain transplant for God's sake.
Pick a freaking box, or I will blow you all up. I don't have time for your low IQ conversations. I got a channel with 200 million subs to run.
Enough, Jimmy.
Holy crap!
You better start treating us better.
And stop torturing us with your stupid challenges.
Say you're sorry or it's over.
All right, I apologize. It won't happen again.
Good.
Because you'll be dead! Stupid idiots.